How you doing, gang? This is Rob at the Edge Power Sports. Another great moment with the dirt bike community. Looking at a lot of questions and comments that came in, and that's awesome. We're super excited about that. Did see a big amount of questions coming in about suspension. So I'm actually going to talk to one of my buddies. He's a pro rider as well. And we're going to just kind of team up and we're going to do a little banter back and forth on our next video next month. So if you want to chime in, grab that one up. We're going to talk about cause and effect and some of the things that happen when you change the bike in a certain way and what to look for. A lot of my experience is from the road racing part of it as well. So if you want to kind of delve into some of the things that kind of help you out in a positive effect on that, we can definitely talk about that. So we're going to kind of work a little bit dirt and street. Hope you can join us next time. Hope that helps out, and awesome questions. We're going to get those answered for you and really get you in a good solid direction for it. Thanks for joining us, gang. We'll see you next time.